opportunity to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor, respected Commissioner of Provident Fund, the Commissioner, Deputy Labor Commissioner, Dr. Sarvade sir, the Dean of Commerce and Management, my HR fraternity, Aurangabad HR Forums, friends. So, thank you very much for finding me suitable for this award. I am deeply grateful to all these about 100 HR heads coming from different industries and attending this program in this foreign hotel today. I neither expected this type of big lifetime achievement award, nor I have the right to expect this type of award from a forum of this stature and from the hands of different commissioners, vice chancellors, and the deans of the very famous university. But when you get an award from your own fraternity, the weightage of the award becomes very high. So, with all my deep feeling inside, today I am accepting this honor. Continuous journey of 40 years without even a single break in the life is not that easy. This journey, as Alka said, took me to various places, various states, met with various people. So I enjoyed every culture of this country, every state of the country, and every people of this country wherever I have worked. And exactly, correctly, Alka said that this is the 13th state where today I am working. Throughout these 40 years, I was silently thanking all the people who were helping me and supporting me on regular basis for my success. Today, I have got the stage from where I can loudly say that thank you all very much. So, this is a big thanks from my side to all my old colleagues, my previous colleagues and my present colleagues. Nevertheless, my wife, Kavita, and my daughter Samriti. So, this is a emotional moment for me. So many people, so many, especially when you stand before your own fraternity, you can feel that life doesn't end here with lifetime achievement. Today I would like to use my few moments regarding some challenges what HR fraternity is going to face in coming years. The biggest challenge becomes now budget cut, rapid change in technology, with that rapid changes required in the skill and within the employees, new platforms, continuous more and more pressure on you to do better in your own field, and the most challenging and threat to HR department will come from the